Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHMP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Another monster move, and just crazy to think that I started doing videos on this one when it was, I think, down around like 5 cents, maybe even lower. I don't remember, but now this thing isn't even close to where it was when I first started doing videos. So a great mover, and good to see these types for the world of penny stocks. They don't come around very often, but when they do, it's always kind of a breath of fresh air to see a penny stock actually move. So let's get some things updated here. First things first, a little house cleaning, just going to get rid of that line there. Sure, that level pertains, it's just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines everywhere. So let's make mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Now on Thursday when I did the video, and I'm thinking out loud here, I'm just going to get rid of, I'll use this line up here because that's still pretty far away. But so now I'll just move up here. Yes, these are unscripted. I just start talking about it. So sometimes you get to witness me talking to myself, but 70 cents is the new level of resistance, and there's nothing fancy behind that at all, other than the fact that that's just simply where the party stopped today. The price made a little late day surge, and then that is right where the price just couldn't quite push through anymore. So 70 cents, public enemy number one going into next week. The one dynamic here, though, that got pretty crazy was the final 30 minutes. You can see volume picked up pace quite a bit, and then volatility all over the place as the price dropped down slightly below 50 cents. But to give credit where credit's due, a very nice bounce back upwards and managed to get the price right back up into this area of the chart. So it was looking pretty rough. The bulls kind of did damage control in a hurry and brought things back upwards. So that's definitely a good step in the right direction, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon that or not next week. Assuming you care about the big picture of things, though, none of that final 30 minutes really doesn't matter because the price is still well above where it was. The only people it would really matter to is if you're some sort of day trader flipper and you bought right there and your plan was to buy and sell quickly before the weekend and sell within 10 minutes. Well, then, yeah, from that point of view, you probably had to change your underwear after that final 30 minutes. So those are really the only people that it would really kind of negative reflect, because at the end of the day, like I said, let's say even the price had, obviously it didn't, but let's just say the price had closed right there. You would still have that set of lows. You'd have these lows. You'd have these lows. And if you picture those as stair steps, even if the price had closed down there, those stair steps are still very clearly going in the upwards direction. So all in all, a pretty crazy final 30 minutes, but taking a step back and looking at much more than just a 30-minute time slice, you can see the price still has plenty of opportunities to continue to build higher bases, and that's what you want to see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.